After working with my workbench for a couple of days now, I realized I needed more storage. So I thought, why don't I add an extra panel over here on the left, and underneath it can be a drawer that I can pull out and use for storage, and also I could have an extended workbench. I'm trying to utilize things that I already have. So I used this lumber that I had already and made it into a rectangle. And here I tried to put it in so I could make sure it fits, but it hit the window. But the nice thing about working in a sunroom is I can just open the window and then now I have more space, and it fit perfect. And underneath, instead of using any sort of slides, I'm just gonna attach a piece of wood right here to hold it. And then when I pull it in and out, it'll just be wood rubbing on wood, which I don't mind because it's a workbench. I used 1/4-inch plywood for the bottom of the drawer. Just cut it to size here and stapled it in. I also used screws, so it's very secure. And then I needed to add the hinge. The side of the drawer wasn't quite wide enough for the hinge, so I just added a little extra piece right here. And now we're good to go. I've got an extended workbench top and I've got loads of storage under here in this drawer, and I'm really excited to see what I can do. Follow me for more tips.